Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that? Suppose we want to shoot an arrow from the top of one building to the ground. So this is the height of the building. So this is the building. So let's going to take this is the building. This is the building. So what is the height of the building? 6 meters. Let's going to consider this is AB. The height will be equal to height of the building is equal to, what is that? Height of the building is 6 meters. So that is AB. Let's going to consider AB will be equal to 6 meters. So this is the value. Then what is that? At the angle of depression. So angle of depression means this angle is below the horizontal line. So making this one. So what is angle depression means? So this one and this one are parallel. Then angle of depression 60 means here also angle will be 60. That means angle will be equal to 60 degrees. That is angle of depression. Angle of depression is equal to 60 degrees. So by using of what? Alternate interior angles are equal. So here this angle and this angle are equal. Alternate interior angles based on that. Why? Because here AC is parallel to this line. Alternate interior angles are equal to each other, that is 60 degrees. Then what type of ratio we need to find it? Then what is the distance between you and object? So here you are there. So let's go into here. From here we are shooting to this point on the ground. Then what you can say it here? The distance between, what you can say, distance between object and person, that is, what is that? BC, distance between BC. So we need to take one trigonometric ratio. Based on that we have to find it. So this is the value we have to find. So by using of sine, this one, let's going to take sine theta. So sine theta will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse. So that is the case here, hypotenuse. So sine theta means sine theta is equals to 60 degrees. Opposite side is what? AB. Then hypotenuse is what? BC. So opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is BC. So what is the AB value? That is 6 by BC. We have to find it. So sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 will be equal to 6 by BC. Then cross multiply both BC, root 3 BC, 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12, then root 3. So whatever, the BC will be equal to 2 into 6 by root 3. So we need to find what is the root 3. Let's going to write 2 into 2 into 3. 2 3s are, then root 3. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 into 3. 4 into 3. What value we are getting? So let's going to write 4 into root 3 whole square by root 3. We can calculate root 3 whole square means square root will going to cancel. So for that we need to write it 4 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So 1 root 3 will going to cancel. 4 root 3, what is that? Meters. 4 root 3 meters. The distance BC will be equal to 4 root 3 meters. So this is the distance between arrow, ground and the person. So this is the way to find the solutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.